Space Life here, and there's my girlfriend. So we're on a little trip out today. We're going to Wisley Gardens. I think you'll like it there. Get a few nice clips of all the plants. Hopefully it doesn't rain too much because it's looking a bit scary over there. See? Yeah. See you in the next clip. Near this big. Seems like the bud little section here. Look how cool these are. Dad actually has the white version of these in his tropical garden. I have never seen these ones before, they look really cool. You can see up there we've got an evil rain cloud that's been following us around. We're hoping we get lucky today. Oh, nice.
Every single different type. So they've got like different name tags, which is cool.
Looks like we have hundreds of apple trees here. So we've all decided to stop for a bit of lunch, including Space Life Junior down here. We have some tasty rolls. This is the glass house. We're going to be heading there soon. But first, we're going up here behind you.